Hello, in this video today we're going to be talking about the AcuRite Iris 5-in-1 home weather station, which I purchased a couple months ago for my son. And what this video today is going to be discussing is the actual mounting process that took place. I have some video clips of what it looks like and what we did, how we mounted it, and I want to quickly show you the couple tools that I ordered. This is a Channel Master heavy duty TV antenna stackable swedged end pole, a 5-foot pole that I ordered, and then we attached it to this fixture here on a stump, an old tree stump in his yard. Now the thing that I want to mention though is this angle of the pictures I had here all make it look like, except this one here, maybe I could have told by this, I thought this was a totally perpendicular pole setup. We had to change a few things because this was actually angled. This is angled up towards you as you look at it, a slight bit of angle. And there wasn't anything mentioned in the description here, and the only picture I had to go by were these where it's looking straight on. You'll see what we ended up doing. That's what we're going to talk about today's video. This is George from George Loves Weather. In today's video we're going to be talking about the actual mounting, the AcuRite mounting for a weather station. If you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, like the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. I plan on having videos in the channel probably once every week or every 2 weeks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I put a new video that has to do with weather stations. So thanks for watching, and let's move into the actual details and video clips of how I did this and what happened and what it looks like. We're going to look at a few clips that I recorded. First, we're going to start. I started that my son and I set up the display in his office, in his house, in his home. And then from there, we go outside and you'll watch a couple video clips of how we had to modify the attachment onto the stump, and then how and what it looks like now. There'll be other pictures that I have included as well in the post, so you can see exactly the step by step that we took to do the mounting of the AcuRite weather station. Okay, so we're setting the display up, and he's decided to have it in his office. Just draw back here a little bit. This is an office in the home, and this is where it's going to be. We already inserted batteries in the back of it. Remember from the video, talked about having backup batteries, 6 of them in the back here. So they're in here. It's ready. It's searching for a signal right now. I don't know if you can see that, but there is no signal because we're going to go outside now and get it set up to get the weather station set up, and then we'll have, there it is, no wireless signal found. Searching for signal. So that's it. We'll show you more on the next part of the video. Okay, so we've fashioned the wood base here on the tree stump, and we use the level here because the level on top of the weather station over here, this has a bubble level on top of it, right in here, that bubble level. But the problem is, with the height we have and with the hill going downhill here, once we get it up on top here, it's too high up for us to see, so we did sideways level. We're going to fasten this in next to stabilize it, and then we'll work on getting them out on top here. Okay, so we've done the foundation here. We followed up through with an inset screw here in the pole. We use the level on that, come up here, and here's our weather station. And we inserted batteries in the bottom of it, right here. And the only thing left is we're going to have to check for the AB switch. The rain gauge is up on top here. This is all as level as we can get it now. This is fastened here into this, and that's in there. So the batteries should be operational. We'll have to go inside and see if it's receiving signals yet or not. Okay, so the last thing was there's a switch. If you look down in here, there's a black switch here. It's really fine. To the left is A, middle is B, then C. What I've done is made sure it's on A. That'll match up what's inside. The display will be A as well, and then the signals will match up. Okay, so we're back in the office here, and we checked on the back of this to make sure we were on the A switch, which is what we are. We took the back off here, and the switches are in here. And we're on the A switch, this switch right here. We're on the A for there. And then about 2 minutes after we checked the switch, the readings started coming in. So the readings started coming in, and here they are. It's got readings all over the place. Now the only thing my son's going to have to do is he's have to take the manual and come through and set these alarms if he wants them, and set the clock and the date and all that, because you see it's 12:04 a.m., which is not. It's a little after 8 p.m. here, and it's not 12:01. But you can go ahead and set that, and then everything's set up and ready to go. So that's it for the Iris 5-in-1 from AcuRite. So that's it for the video mounting the Iris 5-in-1 in my son's backyard. If you got any value from this video today, please give it a thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we would appreciate that. Thanks for watching today. God bless. Take care.